If you want to buy an AnyDesk license, this video will walk you through the whole process step by step, so you can choose the right plan, complete your purchase, and get set up quickly. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. First, open your web browser and go to the official AnyDesk website. It's always best to start from the official source, so you know you're looking at the correct plans, the latest pricing, and the safest checkout process. Once the site loads, look at the top right corner of the page and click Buy Now. After that, you'll see the available license options. Take a moment to review the different plans and select the one that matches your needs. Whether you're buying for personal use, a small team, or a business setup, choosing the right plan first will make the rest of the process much easier. Once you've made your selection, click Buy Now again to continue. Next, AnyDesk may ask you to proceed to the next step of the ordering process, so click Next. From there, you'll be prompted to login details required to continue securely through the purchase flow. Enter it carefully and make sure there are no typing mistakes. Now you'll see an agreement or confirmation screen. Read through the terms if needed, then check the box that says I accept. This confirms that you agree to the purchase terms and conditions. After that, click Next to move forward. At this stage, you'll need to fill in all of your personal or business details. Make sure everything is accurate, including your name, email address, billing information, and any other required fields. If you're buying for a company, double-check that the business details are correct so your invoice and license information are sent to the right place. When everything is complete, click Next again. Now you'll reach the payment section. Add your card details carefully, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Before submitting, quickly review everything one more time to make sure all the billing information is correct. Once you're ready, click Pay Now to finish the purchase. After payment goes through, you should receive confirmation from AnyDesk with your license details and purchase information. Be sure to check your email inbox and spam folder just in case the confirmation message lands there. Once you have your license, you can move ahead and start using AnyDesk with the plan you selected. So that's how to buy an AnyDesk license in just a few simple steps. Start on the official website. Choose your plan, complete the checkout process, and pay securely with your card. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.